Ay Delani bajele bamamele mabangizwanga kahle bayiphinda ay 4 double 1 nelesine building in speaking amasi.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Msweni and welcome to the Leboo gang. This is the all hair related channel. Not only are we discussing, exploring, but we are also learning about our hair. If you are a new subscriber, thank you for landing onto my page. Please do subscribe there at the bottom and hit that notification button so you don't miss out on any of the content that I have to share with you. And if you are a loyal subscriber, thank you for coming back and watching my videos. And today I am practically just doing a simple twist out on my hair using the Cantu products that I got from Cantu from their new ambassador search that they are doing. So I got 2 sample packs that I needed to use and practically share my story about my natural hair journey, but not only that, but also the products that I have used so far. So I got the curly cream as well as a leave-in conditioner, which I will show you during the course of the video. And I basically, what I did was is that I did my wash day routine as usual, but then this time I just did a twist for a whole week because I am so lazy to do my hair, and it's the best way to protect my hair in a protective style. So instead of using my usual leave-in conditioner as well as curling cream, I decided to use obviously the Cantu products that I was given. So I did my usual wash day, and then I went ahead and I used the leave-in conditioner first, and then I did my twist using the curling cream. So I'm not going to show you how I did the twist. I'll do that in another video. But what I am going to show you is how I rocked my twist, my mini twist, and how I am rocking my twist out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me get into it. So I have a spray bottle with my leave-in conditioner as well as just water, and I'll be spraying that to my week-old twists. So I add a bit of moisture to my hair before I add any product, and I always do this on a daily basis. I have my leave-in conditioner from the Cantu range. This is the sample that they gave me, and I'll be applying that to my twists. You guys saw the name. Hey, for some reason it just doesn't want to clear properly and have a whole lot of focus, and that's the coconut curling cream. What I'm doing now is applying the leave-in conditioner first. Now I'm applying the curling cream to each individual twist. Now I'm just taking a toothbrush and just brushing my edges, as well as using the Isoplus hairline edge control gel. It helps to comb my edges because they're so coily, as I've mentioned before. I'm going to use my do-rag just to lay my twist down, so I at least look decent, you know. They're not flying all over the place. And this is what my twists look like once they have been laid down, all nice and neat. And this look I am able to wear for a whole week up until my next wash day, and I'm also able to put my wig on top with no problem whatsoever, especially when they laid nice and flat. Now I'm just gonna add some water from my spray bottle and just moisturize my hair. I'm not gonna add any product today as I already added product yesterday, and with the water added it's just gonna lift the product as if I just applied product today, because I know my hair, it absorbs a whole lot of product, and when I just add water, no problem. So I changed venues and decided to just sit outside because I felt like you guys weren't going to be able to actually see my twist out properly. So my mistake was not unraveling my twist gently. As you can see, you can't really see the defined twist or my hair defined in terms of the texture, and I also combed my hair a bit too much. So not that this is an epic fail, it was my first try out, so hopefully next time I do this it'll be proper. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button so you don't miss out on any content. Hit that like button and give me a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my socials, as you will see at the end of the video my social handles. Until next time guys, bye.
Phela nibajele bamamele mabangizwanga kahle bayiphinda for double one nelesine building in this figure ngamasimba smokes